It's my honor to present to you the senior football players for the 2021 Wildcat varsity football team. Ethan Atkins. Ethan is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Wendy Stanford and wears the number 79 jersey. He's an offensive lineman and a defensive tackle for the Wildcats. Ethan is a 3-year varsity player. Troy Pritzker. The son of Mrs. Rebecca Irvine, Troy wears the number 15 jersey and is a defensive linebacker for the Wildcats. Malik Mackey. Malik is the son of Miss Sherry Walls and Mr. Idris Kendall. He's an offensive wide receiver and a defensive back for the Wildcats. Malik wears the number 17 jersey. Kasim Malone. Kasim is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Malone and wears the number 32 jersey. He's an offensive wide receiver and a defensive linebacker for the Wildcats. Joshua Reap. The son of Brandy Reap, Joshua is an offensive left guard and a defensive end and linebacker for the Wildcats. He is a 2-year member of the varsity team and wears the number 54 and 84 jersey. Christopher Tyrone Smart II. The son of Sally and Luther Brown, Chris wears the number 76 jersey for the Wildcats, where he plays offensive right tackle and defensive tackle. Chris is a 4-year veteran of the varsity football squad. Isaac Westmoreland. Isaac is the son of Bessie and Bobby Westmoreland. Wearing the number 16 jersey, he is the quarterback for the Wildcats. Isaac is a 4-year veteran of the varsity football team. Philip Mullinax. Philip is the son of Mr. Dwayne Mullinax. Wearing the number 65 jersey, he plays offensive left tackle and defensive end for the Wildcats. Philip is a 2-year member of the varsity football team. Bryson Davis. The son of Donna and Ricky Davis, Bryson wears the jersey number 11 and is the kicker and punter for the Wildcats. He is a 2-year varsity football player. Jaquavius Davis. Jaquavius is the son of Mrs. Joshana Davis. He wears the number 13 jersey and is an offensive B-back and defensive linebacker for the Wildcats.
Lee Martin. Lee wears the number 9 jersey for the Wildcats. He plays running back and defensive back for the Wildcats and is a 4-year member of the team.
And now, for the first time since 2019, your 2021 Homecoming candidates are
Number 9, Lee Martin. Number 11, Bryson Davis. Number 13, Jaquavius Davis. Number 15, Troy Prute. Number 16, Isaac Westmoreland. Number 17, Malik Mackey. Number 32, Kasim Malone. Number 76, Chris Marr. Number 79, Ethan Atkins. Number 84, JJ Reed. Number 65, Philip Mullinax. From now until the day before homecoming, these players will be collecting votes at a penny per vote. Find your favorite player in the hallway to support them and your yearbook staff. Let the games begin.
I'm sorry, this is so awkward. Thank you. Just. Aww.
This is the assignment you're looking for here. Okay? That
I mean, we act like I don't know these things.
Carry up the ball.
Amber, keep looking.
Don't do that.
I know. Stop.
I'm like, it's like inverted. And
Well,
all like
yeah.
gross.
Wait.
Get your fours up. It's winning time.
Trash.
You're trash.
Trash.
You're trash.
That's your first pitch on that.
As we dream by the fire, to face the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland.
See that? That's skill. We're together, but don't let them get too close. They're not friends.
They'll fight one another. Oh, that's so cool.
The third, 3 and 4, I want you to jot these down. So it's the same concept.
Yeah.
Metidos en la arena, miramos a la calle.
Hello. Y'all do something funny that's appropriate. Or not appropriate.
Do another one.
The CDC man says it's the end of time and the water fountains are all going dry. The quarantine's up and the PD is down and mask is the only face to be found. I go to Blacksburg High, you see, my hood and my kin and my crew and me. I got a mask sanitizer and some canvas live, and a homecoming can survive. Like zombies and nurses too, ain't too many things these wildcats can't do. We voted on the queen and bought tickets online, and a homecoming can survive. Homecoming folks can survive. Because being quarantined will just make us mean. Cause we're them wildcats and we need to be seen. We grab grass, stay low, don't get beat deep, and put on a show. We came from Cherokee Falls at Lookout Rock and burnt Mills Creek and opened their land. We can Run a jet sweep, we can block your man, and a homecoming can survive. Homecoming can survive. I had a good friend in Midland Valley. He never called me by my name, just Wild Kitty. My coaches taught me how to play my position, and his left him without a mission. Used to wish he was from a town like the Berg, and I'd brag about Wildcats till I was heard. But he was born to play for a losing team. They can't stop our cats 'cause we're just mean. We're gonna hit that tackle and push that guard. We're gonna move that ball another yard, 'cause a homecoming can survive. Homecoming can survive. Because being quarantined will just make us mean, 'cause we're them Wildcats and we deem to be seen. We grab grass and stay low, don't get beat deep and put on a show. We're from a little B-burg in South Kakalaki. Mess with us and you're gonna get jacked. We're gonna hit that tackle and push that guard. We're gonna move that ball another yard, and a homecoming can survive. Homecoming can survive.
You can actually hear me two-stepping while I'm recording this, you know that. This is the remix. You know my bankroll. Got a lot of zeros. Teddy Payne. The Tallahassee hero. I done got a crib. Now I'm in the A. Two-stepping, let me show you how I do this thing. Take your left foot, put it out in the front and do it like this. Now if you
It's your birthday?
It is her birthday.
Is that why you're in the special series?
She's the leader.
Pick up the gap, pick up the gap.
It's not COVID, it's just my allergies.
I also have the honor to present the second honor graduate plaque to Russell McLean, the class of 2021 salutatorian.
Come on. Come on, a little more cheddar. A little more cheddar. Up. Whole time. Not too soft, not too soft. Ricky, listen to the mallets. fidgeting.
Girl, I love it when we do it, turn you on.
Tonight? Probably. Lexi, what are you doing? You scared you're gonna be in a toilet paper shortage? I'm scared. I'm prepared.
It was at this moment Lacey realized how unprepared she was for another toilet paper shortage. She also realized that the one human being on the planet that she should fear the most was her twin sister, because she alone knew where she kept her toilet paper stash.
Roll. Girl, I love it when we
COVID ain't no joke. I wish I could go back to school. Welcome back, Casey.
Welcome back, Casey. We have missed you.
Little did Casey know his life was about to change forever.
Mr. Green, do I have any work to make up?
Yes, you do, Casey. Just a little bit.
Finish it. Fatality.
Casey, I'm gonna miss you, buddy.
He's gone too soon. Crushed my expectations. Casey, wake up. Casey, get up. Casey, wake up.
It was just a dream.
So she ain't got this. You know Mullinax and Coggins and Threadgill and Randolph, Satterwhite, McDaniel and Davis and Higgs. But do you recall the most famous virus of all? COVID, the new pandemic, started in a furry bat. And if you've ever had it, you know it'll lay you flat. COVID-19, the illness, even is in Blacksburg too. And if we want to stop it, this is what we'll have to do. Wash your hands and wear a mask over your mouth and nose. Stand at least 6 feet apart. You can't get COVID through or far. COVID, the new pandemic, started in a furry bat. And if we work together, we can lay this virus flat. Happy holidays to all, staying safe at home, sharing love and soothing cheer, so we can get together next year. If we all work together until we get the new vaccine, we'll let go of 2020 and say goodbye to COVID-19. Say goodbye to COVID-19.
Talking it, she ain't trying it. He keep calling me crime. Dan, tell you killed this. I understood the assignment.
We had an assignment?